AliExpress Dropshipping as a complete beginner. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fulfill all your express orders with PayPal in 2021. Firstly, come on to aliexpress.com. So guys, when you come on to aliexpress.com, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here in this dashboard, you can basically see a couple of different categories on the left side, and on the right side you can see a couple of different products. So now over here, what you need to do is simply find products for yourself. So a good practice is to basically use AliExpress along with Alibaba as well, because like if you use just one, you're actually missing out on some very good deals. So you have to make sure that you use both to actually avail all those deals. So now from over here, if you take a look at all of these particular products like these watches, I'm gonna open them up in different tabs so that I can show you basically everything that there is. Now, for example, this particular product, so like this particular product is basically going for about $26. Now guys, these exact products are available on Alibaba for like half the price. So I'm gonna open up Alibaba over here. Now I'm also going to be telling you the major difference why people don't use Alibaba much, and why people, or in general newbies, use AliExpress more than Alibaba. Because like there is a thing on Alibaba, basically like you need to have a minimum order quantity, and that can be like, you know, a minimum of 100 products. So like that is why most people do not use AliExpress in itself, because that really stops them from their full potential. And that is why most people don't use Alibaba, because like they cannot afford to invest that much money in a particular product, or in general are really scared to do so. So like over here we have this particular product. So I'm gonna simply like, you know, find this particular product, and then I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna simply type in the name, and then I will be able to see the very same product over here being sold for $15, guys. Literally $15, and that same product over here is being sold for $26, and right now it is 79% off. So like usually it is $127, guys. That is insane. Like honestly, you cannot expect to make that much profit in crypto, let alone products. So like honestly, the potential and the game is there. All you have to do is simply know how to play it. So what are you gonna do? So the basic thing is gonna be, you have to find your products over here on Alibaba, list them over here on AliExpress. When you get the orders, you ship them from Alibaba. That is the basic idea, but it is a bit more complex than just that. So over here, I have these products opened up. Now, some products can give you more profit than others. Some products can get you into more trouble than others. Like for example, we have these chargers over here. Now, chargers almost all the time, like basically most of the time, end up being broke. So like what happens is that during the shipping and everything, like they basically get a lot of shake and like a lot of hits and stuff, and that really ruins electronic accessories, and customers end up getting damaged products, or basically non-working products, and that is when they basically ask for a refund, and the supplier basically has to give them a refund. And that is why dropshipping scares some people, because like they really don't want to give back the money. So you actually have to be conscious about these things, and like you can actually like, you know, do business in like memory cards and like watches. Then you have like these things, then you have even more stuff over here, and like you have stuff like this. Like basically this stuff can get you a lot of profit for just like, you know, half the work. So for example, I have this particular like, you know, watch over here, or like this memory card. So like this is being sold over here for like, you know, $5. I'm gonna simply copy the name. I'm gonna come over here on Alibaba, and then I'm gonna simply paste that very name over here, and then that is gonna show me that particular card over here being sold for like, you know, $6, or like even $1 to like $76, $2, like basically $1.5. We have it being sold for $4. So like definitely like the profit margins are there. I mean like not a lot, but like they are definitely there. But the other major reason why I highly recommend using Alibaba is because, for example, if you were to like, you know, open up a particular product. So like if I were to open up this particular product, if I were to open this up, I can basically see that their minimum order quantity is just one piece. So like that is insane in itself. But if I were to like, you know, order more, I can like basically get the price down to like $9. If I were to order just one, I will have to pay basically $15. But if I were to order like 100, I can basically get the overall price down to $9 per piece, and that really makes a big difference because like that really gives you big profit margins to work with. And that is essentially how you can get started as a complete beginner on dropshipping. Basically, this was the method, but if you want to learn more, you have to stick around. Now there are a couple of things that you have to consider while you are dropshipping on AliExpress. You have to make sure that your supplier on Alibaba is actually a good supplier and not just a person selling stuff from his garage. So to make sure that that is the case, what you need to do is simply like, basically pick a product, and then after that, from the bottom right, you have to see these things. So basically you have your seller's company name over here, you have their response time. So like basically their response time is 4 hours. Then you have how much money have they transacted in their entire life, and also their delivery times. So like this particular supplier has basically done 10,000 plus transactions for 44 transactions, and they have a 4-hour response time, and they also have a 100% on-time delivery rate. So like definitely a very nice thing, and definitely very interesting as well. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply like contact the supplier if you are actually interested in a particular product. So click on contact supplier, and then that is going to take you over to this page. So from over here, simply like put in a new email address, and after that simply sign in successfully, and then you will have a text box come up where you can actually like reach out to suppliers and text them and get more information about a particular piece that you are interested in. But I'm not gonna do that in this video because that deserves a video of its own. Now over here, once you have found your product, now you can actually pay the supplier via PayPal and then have them ship, pack, label, apply your brand logo if you have one, and then simply send it out to the person who ordered it. Now you have to firstly create an account on AliExpress as well by simply clicking on join and then simply getting orders and stuff. But like honestly, that is essentially the basic idea. And again, when you come onto the AliExpress landing page, you have like a lot of different products, and like these products are being sold for like a lot of money. What you can do is that you can literally just copy these products, get a cheaper deal on Alibaba, and then list them over here, and when you get an order, simply ship them out or send the suppliers a spreadsheet, and they're gonna ship your orders out to your particular customers, and hence you have a very profitable e-commerce store. So yes, that is basically how you can get started with AliExpress using PayPal and everything as a complete beginner. But guys, if you want to like even expand upon this, so like let's say you have an AliExpress store where you are getting a lot of orders via dropshipping, what you need to do is simply basically open multiple stores. So like for example, let's say you have a dropshipping store in like the watch niche and you are doing pretty good. You have to make sure that you use profits from that watch store and then simply capitalize on those profits, and then simply like for example, start a lamp store as well, start a premium watches store, start a new trends digital tablet store. Like there are just so many options. You have to constantly expand to make sure that you stay above the water all the time and every single time. And then again, obviously you can have more people doing more things. Like all in all, it makes it really worth it, and you can actually like get by with a lot of different things. So like definitely a very nice option for you guys if you are interested in this, and you can definitely get started ASAP within a few minutes after watching this video with this very method. And if you need any more help with like finding products and stuff, you can always explore these categories, because there are literally thousands of categories, thousands of different things that you can sell, thousands of different products that are waiting for you guys. So like you can definitely expand upon them. So like for example, if I were to click on home, pet, and appliances, I can like from over here simply like choose any one of these different options. So I can choose like drinkware. Now when I click on that, I can basically see all the products being sold in drinkware. So you can like literally copy these products and then basically try to offer a better deal if you find a cheap offer over here on Alibaba. So like basically try to make yourself shine in this market, and then you will survive and you will make a lot of money. Like 6 figures is literally nothing in dropshipping. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.